802 between LRT Kelana Jaya and Kota Damansara is a relatively low-demand bus route and is reflective in its infrequency. However, the 2140 trip from the Kelana Jaya LRT station is rather special because something miraculous happens on it. At the 1Utama LDP stop, which is actually on the side of an on-ramp of all places, the bus goes from empty to 100+% full. And even more interestingly, these patrons are riding just a couple of stops to Pelangi Astana, a place that is in an MRT feeder bus blind spot.